Hello, 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 everyone. I see some people waiting. Let's let's just wait a few minutes to get this lesson started. Like 7, 8 minutes. Hey, Ashar, how are you? I think I just answered you an email. Please take a look, like an hour ago or something. Augusto, hello, hello, hello. Some of you are coming from the sales conference. If there's any questions that you still have, please let me know. I will happy to help you. Hello, George. I just answered you an email too, George. Yeah, yes, Ashar. If not, I have something there, I think. I have to check, I have to check. I have a lot of things in my mind. So, I've come from configuring the stores. Augusto, do you mean you were looking at that lesson, or what do you mean? Please let me know. Hello, Moni. Hello, hello. Let's just wait 5 more minutes, just 5. Today's lesson is very important for your platform to work perfectly. I will show you how it works and everything. No, I contracted ordering already and was configuring the stores. Oh, in your ordering editor, Augusto. Nice. There's a lesson in YouTube for how to get your business online. Let me share with you the file of that lesson. Sorry, the link. Look for it. What was it? Was the first one actually. Um, here. Here is Augusto. So yes, I like to have these short titles. Okay, okay, George. Let me know if you need anything from me. Uh, Roger, buenas tardes. Buenas tardes. Good afternoon. This is going to be spoken in English because everyone speaks English. I have also a question about the payments. You can start typing the questions, Augusto. I'll be happy to answer them as we go. Some of the questions might not be related to today's subject, but I will be happy to help you today in these 50 minutes that we have. Let's just wait 3 more minutes, guys. Um, 3 more minutes, 3 more minutes. We have 10 people watching. That is nice. Welcome, everyone. Yes, Augusto. So, Stripe is the gateway that allows your platform uh, to to give your customers the chance to pay with the credit card or debit. Unlikely PayPal, exactly, just like PayPal, you need to open an account and that account is linked to a card and so on. But with Stripe, you just change the text. Instead of it saying Stripe, you put credit and debit card, and the customer will click there in order to pay with card. Let me know what you think. 2 more minutes, guys. Bear with me. Bear with me. So you are correct, August, by the way. Everyone can hear me well? Okay. If you can direct me to a lesson on payments. Currently a lesson on payments. I will share some news. Lesson on payments is going to be tomorrow's lesson. We only have at lessons we have Google Maps APK, which is the one today, delivery automation settings, website footer, ordering plus Zapier, marketing and apps push notifications, how to upload your apps in the stores, how the building works, and the one that I already shared with you with the one how to get your business online lesson. Those are all. We started last week with this kind of way of teaching how ordering works. Tomorrow's lesson is going to be payments, how everything works, how to manage your the payments that come through the platform, a way to split the payments and everything. I know Ernesto mentioned something about Stripe Connect. I will explain that also tomorrow. So tomorrow's lesson is going to be very important for your business to get paid. So that's important. Everything related to money, tomorrow is going to be the day. Okay. You can take a look at in our channel and can you show how to say from scratch? I can also create a lesson on that, Ashar. Maybe. Oh wait, tomorrow is weekly recap. Okay, we can change it to payment gateways. And on Monday, I can show you how to like customize little changes in your website live. What about Monday, Ashar? I will teach you about it. There are some guides already in our knowledge base that you can take a look at, but um, yeah, let's I will explain about that on Monday. Thursday, Friday, payment gateways. Yeah, Monday. So let's get this started, guys. Uh, welcome everyone who's here. My name is Mauricio. I'm part of the Mexico team here at Ordering. Today's lesson is Google Maps API key, which is the little thing that allows your customers to see your business in a map, right? So this, as you can see, is YouTube streaming. This video gets uploaded in the stores as soon as the stream is ending. You can take a look later on if you have any questions. If you have also questions, type them in the chat. I'll be happy to answer them as we go. And well, I hope you enjoy this and welcome. I'm happy to help. Let's jump into the article that we are going to need to get this set up. I go in the knowledge base, then I look for the Google Maps API key. This is the one. I always open the articles to show you how to move in the ordering environment, right? So here in the article, it explains us how to create our Google Maps API key. Here, as we can see, we have to get in the Maps platform. Here's a link. Here it's very similar, but the interfaces changes very often. So it might change a little bit the buttons and where are there and everything. So once ge- once we get in the Google Maps platform, we will have to create to get started, right? We select these three properties that we are going to add in our key. We create a new project. The project is always named as your project, as your installation name. Like for example, my food or ordering or the best burgers in the world.com, I don't know, whatever is your business about. After that, we have to add a billing account. This doesn't mean that we are going to get charged, right? This only means that if you exceed the number of calls that the API is getting, you will get charged. However, there's a of course Google wants to help us, so Google gives 200 credit uh, monthly to use the platform. Let me see if I can find where is that credit because I've seen it. Wait 1 second. Google Google Maps API key platform credit. Okay, here is an ad. This is in Spanish, but I'm looking for the English. Okay, this is English. Prices. Here is. See, 200 free monthly credit. By doing a quick math, all the team, we figure out that this monthly credit will cover around 3 to 5 thousand orders in your platform, which means that if you're selling to 3 to 5 thousand orders a month, you can pay for these kind of services, right? I mean, it's an investment, so you don't have to worry about it. Let's get your platform started. Once we are at that place, well, you're going to be like enterprise or something, and this won't be an issue. So you don't have to worry about it. Just set up this, and after we set up this, we are going to have uh, we're going to have to enable APIs. In here, in the sorry, in the billing account, this pop-up will show, right? Then we click next. Then here we are going to get an API key, the key that we need in the platform. After we do that change, we have to get in our language manager. I will show you on the demo, in the real one. I will show you here. Let me log in as a super admin. Super admin, okay. Then we go more, language manager. Oh, sorry. Language manager. Then here we type gm underscore API underscore key. Well, you can just put gm and it'll show this field. This field is the one that where we have to put the new key that we just created, that Google Maps gave us already, like, right? So after we do this, the full platform will know um, where the location is, like the features of mapping. It's going to work. So if there is no key or your the default key that we installed with you is there, the system will say things like um, your API key is wrong, and the customer will get confused, and uh, a few more issues. So it is very important to get this set up almost as we deliver your installation. You know, there are sometimes we have a few customers that get well a little bit frustrated because the site is not working, but the main key is because of the daily calls that the API key has. Everything good, Augusto? Everyone can hear me well, guys? Please let me know. Oh, what about everyone else? Can you confirm we are good, guys? Because I see something here about Google Play. Sorry about YouTube. Everything good, loud and clear, amazing. No questions so far, George. Everything good, amazing. So this Google Maps app, that is it, guys. That is all we need for the platform to work smoothly in regards of the location, delivery zones, mapping for your drivers, and everything. This is it. This Google Maps, this key is also going in your ordering app. Let me show you where, so you know. I mean, we take care of this setup as long as we get the Google Maps key when we get the installation or your forms for the apps. I will log in the ordering app that I have. And let me make this a little bit bigger. So let me close this and this and this and this. Okay. We have a field here. Where is it? Oh no, it is in the already in the language manager. So that is only where you have to change it. But here we have also a thing that might have a little bit of conflict with your installation. So here we have the contrary to complete field. These 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 two letters are going to tell the ordering website and the ordering app to take the information from the Google Maps, but only in the country that we set up here, right? So right now it's US. It can be Mexico, use MX. It can be, well, I don't know, Canada, CA, it will change. We asked for this in the installation form, so this should be taken care of as soon as you get your installation, so we don't have to worry about it. And also the default address. This default address is the one that shows before your customers allow the maps. Let me show you. You click here. This is it. See here? If you wanted to change it in order to not mislead your customers anywhere, you have to put this like to give them like a where is the business based. Also, this is very important. You have to allow as a customer this in order for the browser to know that he's using the location services of any browser. This is something that browsers, I mean, we don't have control on that, but we make it look better. So after I click in allow, this will grab my location, right? So now if I type anything, it'll show me USA before. Like, so I'm in Guadalajara, Mexico. But since we limit the country for USA, it is showing USA, right? That is to keep everyone to not, example, if someone is testing your platform anywhere in the world. It won't take calls like misleading calls to send them in another location or something. This will be established just like you need it to be for your country, in your addresses and everything. So, for example, if I put Fifth Avenue, uh, as accept, now it is showing me the stores. Also, the Google Maps allows the platform to uh, to give the customers the distance between him while the order where he's at and the stores, right? This way, here's the distance calculated. For example, these ones are close, but this is very far away because well, this is the demo, so it might come with some of these things. Also, this is featured. The closest one without featured is McDonald's, which is 3.52 km, right? One more uh, thing that uses the Google Maps API key is when either the business owner or the super admin or the customer is following the drivers, right? The Google Maps allow the platform, the full platform, to see him moving here in the map. I mean, right now it is not moving because it's the demo and everyone is logged in, but it'll start to move in the map, right? I don't know what is this demo, for example, Switzerland. Well, I'm not. It's Switzerland. So this is some guy just testing the platform. Also, in the ordering app, the customer is able to see the location of the driver also while he's moving. Customer, it's password so you can test it out. My orders. Let's say, for example, the order. No, the order must be accepted by a driver, so we know someone is taking care of it. Let me assign just one driver so I can show you kind of how it looks. It will look. As super admin, where are we? No, so we need the demo. This one. 53. No, 50. Let's go for the number 50 order. This one. Let's just select this driver. Now the driver. This is the driver's app. This is the demo. Then driver. In the devices, there are going to be some permissions to be accepted. Make sure to accept them all so everything works smoothly. 50, this is one, accept. Was it 50? Yeah, 50. Accept. My delivery time is 5 minutes. Anything, it's okay. Allow. This asks for the location, so we have to allow it. The app on the devices will say the same, but in a different layout. Once this is accepted, we can click in view order, and here the customer is able to track the driver's position. Right now, well, this is a demo, it's all over the world, so that is the way it's showing. But if not, this will be the driver, and you will, oh, it moved just in the video because someone else uh, logged in as the driver. In your platform, it will be just one driver per app. Right now, well, it's the demo, right? And you will see it moving just like it did this time. And also you can send a message if needed. Also, because of the Google Maps API key, we can know the distance between these. We can also trace routes of orders. Let's say, for example, let me see one that is, well, there's no close route, but yeah, let me see if I can do something here. Details. Oh no, accept this order and then Select driver. Now everyone is busy. We can try. Oh, let me try with this demo. So I can show you how it traces the route. This is something not using any Google Maps resources, but it's very important to mention it because you can do very good management with it. Details, progress here, trace route. Yeah, so you can see something like this. Well, it closer, right? It'll take a few days for this, but you get the point, guys. Uh, Basically, this is it. This is the important for your platform to work like perfect. I wanted to teach you a little bit about why sometimes the businesses, like the installations, are not working well in terms of mapping and well letting your customers know where are the stores and everything. It's because of this. This is essential for your platform to work. So uh, to choose the fingers, I need to change the balance of fonts to pick up that view order. Miguel, that view order is way too small to touch with the finger. That view order. What do you mean, Miguel? You mean like this? Hello, Di Francis. So, guys, please let me know what questions you have about this, and if there is something else I can help you with, please share it with me right here. Can't see my driver's dashboard. So, if you can't see it here or where, Di Francis. Do I need delivery app to be set up before it's no? No, the delivery dashboard gets delivered when you get your ordering website because it is in the ordering editor differences. So you should, if your package included, you should have it. Let me see in the website. Differences, can you send me an email so we can check that out, please? I am not sure if it is because it's not included in your package or we're missing something or maybe there is another login or something. Please just send me an email here after the lesson. I will help you with that. Miguel, the screen on the app where you see the list of your orders. Oh, let's see. Gold package. We don't have a gold package. Which package do you refer to? Drivers delivery. Delivery app. Yes, thank you, D. Francis. Because I don't want to like share your whole information here in YouTube. You mean who asked Miguel? You mean this view, or what do you mean? On the main app, the customers one. This view, Miguel. What is the? Okay, this one. So this is the view of your orders in a device. Let me see how it looks. Let me give it a look, a quick look here. Customer at ordering.co. Customer. Customer. I'm logging in my app, my orders. It looks good. Take a look. It's hard to touch. Mm, I don't know. I mean, it looks good to me. We can improve that. We can improve that, Miguel. Like with some custom work. I mean, you can do the changes using your developers tool inside the builder, which is this one. I understand what you mean. So yeah, it'll be an improvement. You can do it yourself, or we can do it for you. Here at the developers tool inside your builder, we have um, all the front end code, like the files of your apps and website and everything. So let's say, for example, here, this is the app, I believe. Let me see. Yeah, we have the app here, and here we have the order details, order lists. Here's the order list. So what you will have to do is to download this file. I don't know if I have something here to show it. Let me see. Well, visual. Let me see if this one works. I think this one will work. So yeah, take a look at this, Miguel. So when you download this view, here by inspecting your app, you have to take a look at where those specific buttons are getting called from, and then you can change the way they are looking for you, so you can perform the changes. Uh, and when you launch a new version, how does it work in terms of change? So every time there is a change, for example, right now, if we have to change the file that we use, like this modified one, we upload it again in the same path in the file here. No, here. We change it for the customized file that we just created. Then update this. Then get back to settings. Upgrade the version of the app always higher, because the stores must always ask for a new and higher version, right? Once this is changed, also you update this part, update, then build the apps. In your builder, you are going to get the iOS and Android files, the IPA and APK files, for you to just upload that new bundle in your stores. And those bundles should reflect the changes that you made. Also, you can test them just by reading the QR code. This one is red because the certificates are missing because it's demo. I will try to get them done by the next lesson, so it doesn't look like this, like red. Uh, and then once uploaded in the stores one more time, well, the stores will do the review process and then just launch your latest version of the app with the changes, Miguel. So Eduardo, hello Eduardo. Hello Mauricio. For the Platinum plan, the auto assignment driver, a new feature that you mentioned just will be included in the Platinum plan. I'm not sure yet about how the new the advanced delivery settings are going to be delivered to you guys. I still haven't got a response for product team. I keep digging into it uh, to let you know how that will work. All right. I don't have a question yet, Eduardo. Sorry, an answer yet, Eduardo. Okay, understood the process. Amazing, Miguel. Thank you. I know there is an alternative feature right now. What happens when the drivers don't accept the order? No, I think something should be manually. Yeah, yeah. So Eduardo is asking something about the auto assignment feature that the platform already has, which is included on the Platinum package, yeah, and it's going to be something here. Here you will have this setting and you can activate it. So how this works is that the system will look for the closest and available driver at the for the order, right? If that driver is assigned, but the driver does not, well, rejects it, the order will go in the canceled status, and then here you will have to change the status and assign a new driver. I mean, commonly every driver that works for you should just accept the orders every time, right? So after it is rejected from a driver, you will have to manually assign it. In the advanced settings, driver settings, it will be a bit different, but I have to dig a little bit more into it to let you know how it will work, everyone. I don't know if that's like clear, Eduardo. Please let me know. So we're still waiting for more information, basically. That's what I'm saying about the advanced drivers settings. Any more questions in the chat? Please let me know. Who else was here? Di Francis, nothing else for now. Augusto, Ashar, George, no questions, guys. Miguel, please let me know. Also, I want to thank you all for the support of this kind of experiment. It's been very helpful for everyone in support and you, of course. No. How to change the language name? Augusto, all clear crystal, nice. Miguel, how to change the language name on the list? How to change the language? So it's Portuguese and any Oh, so this Miguel. Let me see. Let me try something. This is the first question. The first time everyone someone asked me that. So since we have all the words in this language manager, if we look for Portu, no, we won't get it. Portu. Let me see in our language settings. Where are they here? Portuguese. Well, no, currently I don't have like the answer on hand. It'll be, it'll say this for now. What I will what I will suggest to our team, or product team, is to put the language between parentheses and then name it like in the language that it is actually is in the characters and everything. But currently, there's no way. Miguel, your platform is going to be only one language or multi-language before we jump into the next question about the APK, George. I saw how you did it. Yep, George. That is the way to get it working. Portuguese and English. Okay, so then we will have to check about it. I don't have the answer on hand. I will look into with the developers team to know an easy way to change this. I'm not sure where to change it to be very honest with you. Let me check. To no, language. No, it won't be here, Miguel. No problem. Thank you. Thank you, Miguel. Yeah, that is actually even better. Open the ticket and we will get back to you to change that. I'm sure it's a little change, so it won't take long, like days or something. I hope so. But if there's something, be sure to email me at mauricio@dorling.co and I will see if I can rush your queries. Thank you. Uh, Ashar, I don't know if you can show it now. Can you show the file that to okay, Ashar. Yes, I will help you with that. So the file that we have to change in order to modify this um, this text is going to be the one that says homepage content, I think. Let me see. So we have the website here. I'm helping Ashar knowing what is the file to change the text here, right? Maybe the size, or I don't know what he's looking to change. But the file will be uh, homepage screen. I think it's this one, or here's the one, homepage content. Ashar. Yeah, Miguel. Actually, check that out, Ashar. Miguel Miguel gave the answer there. You have to download this one to perform the changes. Uh, do I need to set up in the settings to settings? George, what do you mean? Which settings? Like, what do you mean? Eduardo, I need to work with some business partners which are different cities in Mexico. How can I separate them for each other? Commissions, revenue, etc. Can I separate them from each other? What do you mean, Eduardo? Like, you have like franchises, or what do you mean? Let's see. Please let me know so I can help you with the answer. How can I separate them from each other? Commission. Each store will have their own revenue. So yes, like franchise. Okay. To handle the marketplace solution as a franchise, you will have to um, duplicate the stores and assign a specific business owner. Then, there we the customer won't see like multiple stores because of the addresses. It will only show the one that is close to them. So in your dashboard, you will see multiple, but the customer will only see the one that is closest to their position, and of course delivers there. And then in the revenues part, the businesses will have one, like the manager of the store, the business owner per store, so they will manage only their income and their transactions and everything. I don't know if that works, Eduardo. Please let me know. Um, no, George. No, no, no. No changes in the builder. Only the language manager. I was in the builder. I was talking about the country code, but I think that is already set in your installation, George. I remember seeing something. I was talking about this and this. Please let me know if everything is answered. It should work perfect. I mean, please give it a try, and let me know if everything looks good, and so I can be uh, like relaxed. Okay, Eduardo, please let me know if I. Oh wait, what did Miguel add all the custom CSS and that how to be set? Yeah. Also, while you're talking about changing something in the developers module, um, if something goes wrong, you can always just click remove. This remove button will only remove the customized file, and it will return this page into the default view of it. So your customers are not like confused with some miscoding issue that we have. You know, always update, upgrade version, and build the website. The multi-business owner feature, I will quickly explain you, Eduardo. Let me see, let me log in. Let me refresh this. So Eduardo is asking me about the multi-business feature, which is included. I think only I remember only on the platinum. I will quickly check about it. Let me see. What do we have here? Multi. Um, yeah, it is only included in the platinum, but you can purchase it as a power up in the other packages. So that feature allows one store to have multiple business owners. We created this because some of the stores have shifts between business owners. So how it works is that when you get inside a store, here at the business info, inside business owners option, you are able to select if you have more business owners, you are able to add them to in this business. For example, let's just create one. More users. business owners, business two, business two, and both business owners will be able to do the same, to have the same privileges as the other one. Test. This is a business owner. So now if we go in the store, we add the business owner, the new one. Here it is, add it. Okay. Now if I log in as any of these business owners, both will see the store assigned to them. Business two, business two. Let me see. Let me see. I don't remember what was the password. Business. I don't remember the password. Business two. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Yeah, 128. So this business owner and the other business owner will also see this same information, which is this one. We'll also manage all the aspects of that store, my stores. That is the way it works, Eduardo. They will both be able to handle all the orders and the delivery dashboard and everything. Well, guys, I don't know if you have any more questions. I will just give it 1 more minute to answer them because the class is coming to an end. Thank you, everyone, for joining. I've gotten your email, Miguel. Thank you very much. Well, as I said in the beginning of this video, tomorrow class payment gateways is a very short class, so I'll try to put payment gateways and build their edition tomorrow in tomorrow's class, like the customizable homepage or something. Okay, I open the file. It shows add your custom CSS file on the side. Yeah, sure. You have to be very careful with that, by the way. Eduardo, I have a partner. I don't know if there was a question, Ashar. Please let me know, Eduardo. So I have a partner A, which is Puebla, another partner which is in Acapulco. Each of them each have to work on their cities. You create 2 stores for that, Eduardo. You duplicate the store and then change the address. That's the easiest way to get it working. I think that'll work. Please let me know if that's answered. So guys, I think this is it for today's lesson. Google Maps API key and some questions answered there in the YouTube chat. Tomorrow's lesson, I will try to make it payment gateways and customization of the homepage of file in the developers tool. Also, please, it's very important to me to know what you want me to talk about. For example, I got some ideas today, which I will be taking care of. But here in this side, that is also in the description of the of the um, of the video. Here's a form where you can submit to me some ideas of the future lessons that you want me to talk about. It's very, very important. Okay, thank you very much. See you in tomorrow's class. The minute has passed. No, in that case, the restaurants are different. No, Eduardo, but the restaurants are the same. You just duplicated it. I'm not sure if I understand what you mean then. Please send me an email at mauricio@ordericio so I can talk about you with that about it. I will make sure to answer in less than 24 hours. Here's my email. Okay. Thank you guys. see you tomorrow. It's not going to be a recap, it's going to be a new class. So it's very important for you to be there to learn how it works, how everything works in ordering environment. Be sure to subscribe to get notified when the lessons are live, and have a happy rest of the day. Bye bye, guys. Thank you very much for being here.